Hello, students, and welcome to week number 6. Yes, we are in week 6 of a 9-week quarter. That means that we are more than halfway through. And I want to give you a quick, honest, and upfront reality check as to what that means. This quarter actually counts as an entire semester. That means the grade that you get in this quarter will go on your official high school transcript as your entire semester grade. That means the grade that you get from my class in 4 weeks will be on your high school transcript forever. Okay, so it's super important. It counts. Everybody will see it. It will be an official part of your high school record. You'll see it. Your family will see it. Your guidance counselors and other teachers will see it. Into the future, job applications will see it, the military, colleges and universities. Everybody will be able to see this grade, and it will be a reflection of what you were able to accomplish the first quarter of your freshman year. Okay, with that said, I think we can move on, but I did want to be honest and upfront with you because I'm not sure if anyone has yet, and I'm not sure if you understand how important the work you're doing now is to your future, right? And so we're working now to build a brighter future for you. So let's work really hard these last 4 weeks. All right, as always, guys, as with every single week, you always just want to keep going back to the Gameful Digital Classroom. Do everything you can to keep up on that. Whatever pops up on your screen, do it. Okay. This week is week 6. So here we are, week 6. I've put the calendar in there and I've already opened it just to save some time. So let's look at the calendar. And as you know, even though it says week 6 up here, a lot of this looks the same, and that's by design. I don't like to switch things around every week. The one thing that does change, though, is the essential question, which in the Quest we call the Quest Thinking Guide. And that's just a guide for your thinking to help you understand what you're supposed to be learning. So what are we supposed to be learning this week? Let's look specifically. What regulates weather? What regulates weather? And we'll be focusing mainly on Earth's average temperature. All right, what's our phenomena to kick off the week? We're going to learn a little bit about the greenhouse effect. And then throughout the week, you're going to learn a whole lot more about the greenhouse effect, heat flow into and out of the Earth's atmosphere, and global warming. You should have discovered when you did the quest for water this past week, if you're keeping up, you should have already done water. You realize there are now timers for 30, 60, 75, 90, and 135 minutes. Those are not there to haunt you, or to make you feel nervous, but just to help you keep on track with timing and to realize that none of these things should be done in 5 minutes, right? You should be spending more time and putting more effort into it to get yourself to a higher level of quality. Okay. Last thing is our Zoom agendas. As always, we will be meeting for Zoom. The schedule is already there. So let's slide on down here to week number 6, which is right here. So you can take a peek at the agenda if you want. I just wanted to give you a quick heads up. We will be having a guest speaker on Thursday. So that's a pretty big deal. I Love a Clean San Diego is a great organization. I've been bringing them into my classroom for guest speakerships for many, many years now. Obviously, with COVID, they're going to have to do this virtually, but applause to them for making it happen. They didn't just abandon ship. They found a way to still make it work. Okay. Tuesday, we'll do some of the same kinds of things, but really big deal. I'm giving out my first awards, and I'm super excited about that. I got a couple people per class who are going to get some awards, and I'll do the usual kitchen demo, video. We'll look at the website and look at your badges. Of course, as we always do, we'll check grades, check your progress reports, and then time allowing, I'll let you get started on our quest. And of course, fill out the goals and plans. Whew, had to stifle a sneeze there. Sorry about that. Okay, with all that said, I did want to actually show you, speaking of badges, let me go ahead and log in. And I wanted to show you a particular student who is doing quite amazing amongst others. So I'm going to go to the scoreboard, which will show us the class results. I've shown you these before. And so I'm going to go to period 3, I think I wanted to go to. Actually, this is not quite where I want to go. I want to go to my teacher clipboard. And I want to show you Angel, who I actually spent some time with on a special one-on-one Zoom or one-on-two. He did have an adult there with him, and I was able to help him with some of his writing, and that helped a lot. It helped, and I spent about a half hour on Zoom with him. So that's something I'm willing to do for you if you need the help. Let's look at his results here, and you can see all the work that he's done. He's all the way down through. He's current. He's done the Gizmo Slab on water. So he is literally 100% caught up. This is the way his game board looks, his gameful board. This is the way yours should look. Obviously, he has all the stuff from intro to the class done. That's a long time ago. I'm focusing here on Earth systems. So everything is green from the first 3 weeks of this portion of our class. So this is week 3 on Earth systems. Here's week 4 on plate tectonics, and last week on water. And of course, this stuff's gray because I haven't even released it yet. Well, at the time I'm making this video, it's not released. So those are gray. This is the way your game board should look. And you see a little sliver of yellow because he's choosing to do the ed puzzles and choosing not to do the actively learns. Some students are doing both. Both of these are green, and I am going in and giving you bonus points for doing both. Plus, you're getting extra loot for the class competition, okay? So now I want to go back and I want to look at, speaking of the class competition, now I want to go back to the leaderboard, and let's look at where Angel sits in terms of the leaderboard. And you can probably guess he's going to be near or at the top because he's completely current with all of his work. So let's go to the scoreboard for period 3. And if I rank by gold, we have Melina. And wow, look at that. Melina, I could have featured you too. And then right behind is Angel. And Melina and Angel are over 100% on reputation, which means they're going to start earning silver and copper. Once you reach 100% on reputation, it starts multiplying your loot. And look at all those badges they have. Remember, every time you log in during the week or on the weekend, you get another badge. So that's how they have so many badges. Let's just take a peek at period 1. And again, I know I've featured Christian before, and there he is at the top of the leaderboard. Tons of gold. Andre right behind him. Julius right behind. Christian's the only one here over 100%, but Andre, you're right behind him. So, and look at all those badges. So this is incredible, guys. I wanted to show you some good examples of some students who are really on top of their game. And honestly, you just, at this point, you cannot allow yourself to fall behind. There's only 4 weeks left, you know? So we're on week 6. You still have time to totally catch up. And I will go back and I'll correct your grade. I'll correct your attendance. And like I said, I've phone called students. I've been on Zoom with students. I message students on here all the time through Gameful, through Schoology, through my email, through Remind. I'm very, very accessible, and I'm ready and willing and enthusiastic about helping you. So don't be shy about reaching out and asking. Even if you just need a little nudge or some motivation, I will help motivate you. I'll never judge. I know we're in a tough situation here, but I'll help move you along because I don't want anyone failing. There's no reason to fail. The only reason you would possibly fail my course is if you just literally give up and stop working. As long as you're trying, you're going to pass and you're going to do well if you try hard, like these people at the top of the leaderboard. Okay, so let's get working. Let's shine bright. Like I always tell you, students, shine bright. Let's show the world our best. Okay, have a great week. I will see you in Zoom tomorrow. Bye.